Introducing Innisfil Estates by A&T Homes, a true masterpiece nestled perfectly in the quaint village of Stroud. Offering the best in luxurious countryside living, Innisfil Estates is ideally located mere minutes from Highway 400, Lake Simcoe, the new YMCA facility, and the city of Barrie, with a local public school within walking distance. This exclusive community of only 38 homes features an elegant collection of bungalow and two-story homes on large 70 by 300-foot countryside lots, with some exceeding nearly 2 acres. The range of homes offered is sure to provide plenty of selection, and if our plans aren't exactly what you're looking for, we will custom design to suit your individual needs and desires. You may also select from a wide array of home finishes and features to meet your exacting taste. With homes from 2,000 to nearly 4,000 square feet to choose from, and all with main floor laundry, triple car garages, and double entrances from the garage, Innisfil Estates has a design for everyone. Because today's lifestyle is very much focused on the kitchen as a gathering place for a wide and varied number of activities, our team will sit down with you to design the beautiful, functional dream kitchen you've always envisioned. This spectacular furnished model home, featuring 5,000 square feet of professionally decorated space, is now open. Come discover the impressive designs, exquisite finishes, and incomparable attention to detail of our homes in an exclusive countryside executive community. For over 20 years, A&T Homes has been recognized as an extraordinary custom home builder for extraordinary residential designs, with particular attention to quality, detail, and function. Innisfil Estates, your custom home for your lifestyle.